Oh, wow. Woo! Come on, Emma. Stick it in the goal. Turn around, Sam, and let's put it in the goal. With Emma. Come on, kick it at Jessica. All right. Well done, Sam. No, he's just doing it for today. Be careful, children. Anthony's going to kick it hard. Kick it. Whoa, come on. Come on. Here, come. Take your ball, put it in the net. Whoa. Whoa. Good job. Kick it in the goal. Whoa. Go on, Anthony. Oh. Whoa, that's going to go straight in the net.